Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. You can see the chimney pattern there. Now this one is labeled Light Sword. Of course, this is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the box. That's a first look at the sword. It's on a black matte finish, and that is a sticker. Now this one looks like it's made in, looks like L of 15, so this is over 2 years old. Good stampings, good sound, nice flame for a light sword. So let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. Okay, there is the light sword passing the lit drop test. Kind of fashioned after a lightsaber. To me, it looks like the lightsaber. Very similar colors, yellow and red. Also after, I guess that's a phaser rifle. So that is the Light Sword by Zippo. Nice bold design, good sound. Made in the USA, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.